everyone, I'm Karen and I'm the children's programmer at the Country Hills branch of the Kitchener Public Library. Welcome to the second week of Tween Scene Maker Club. Today we're going to be making a marble run out of materials you could find in your recycling bin. So are you ready? Let's get started. In your package you received the following: 2 pieces of pool noodle, a cardboard tube, 2 marbles, and either a yogurt cup or a small plastic cup. You might think, what else can I use to make my marble run? I took a look in my recycling bin to see what I could use. Before using any recycled materials, please ask your grown-up first if it's okay to use it. Magazines and other scrap paper. Newspapers that you can roll into tubes. Plastic containers, these had mushrooms in them. Cardboard from cereal boxes would be great. Other materials that you will have to provide that you might want to use include markers, duct tape or regular tape, and glue sticks. Once you've gathered your materials, take a minute or so to think about how you want to design your marble run. I'm going to take a piece of newspaper and a paper towel roll, and I'm going to make some more rolls using the newspaper. I'll take my newspaper and wrap it around the tube. And then I will tape the tube closed with some tape. And then slide the paper towel tube out so I have another tube. And you might want to add a bit more tape to make sure it's nice and secure. So I'm going to make a few more of these. I taped a couple of the newspaper rolls together. Next, I'm going to take some magazine pages and make some chutes and tunnels with it. So I've got a ruler here. What I'm going to do is take my ruler and I'm going to measure it along the length of my paper. So I'm going to go like that. So that's 1 strip. Then I'm going to move it over, do that again. So I have 2 strips, and then take it and do it again. And then I have 3 strips, and then I'm going to cut it out. Here's my piece of paper, and I'm going to fold along the lines. This is what your paper will look like after you've folded it. And then after I folded it, I used tape to tape it together. Once you've built something, just make sure that your marbles will fit through it. What I did with this piece of magazine paper, similar to the other sheet, I took my ruler and I measured 3 lines, but then I also measured about 3 centimeters apart and I drew these little squares. And then what I'm going to do is cut the squares. So I've now cut the squares. So as you can see, there's on either side of this line, I've cut these squares. So let me show you what you can do with that. So next, you're going to figure out how you want your chute or tunnel to be. So how you're going to do that is you're going to figure out how you're going to tape your squares together. So do you want it like that? Do you want it more straight? So let me show you what I did with my paper and let's see how it looks. I taped together the tabs and so I've made a chute that looks like this. So let me put my marble in and let's see if it'll work. Woo, there it goes. If you have markers, you might want to decorate your paper towel tube with them. My marble run consists of a cardboard tube as a support and then 2 newspaper rolls. I have a cereal box and I have a plastic container that is supporting the newspaper roll. I have a magazine chute and then another cardboard tube and then the yogurt cup. So let's see if this will work. Another option for a marble run is if you have a large box. You can use the side of it as a wall. What I did was I covered the one side of the box with some paper I had. Here's my second example of my marble run. And now we're going to use a cereal box to make a marble run. So at the top, on the tabs, I put some duct tape to make it a bit more secure. And at the bottom, when I trimmed off the front panel, I left a little bit of a lip on the bottom. I'm going to take the cardboard from the front of my cereal box and make some strips. I've cut out some strips, and if you want to, at this point you could decorate your strips. Next, you're going to take the strips that you cut from the front panel of the cereal box and fold them in about 4 centimeters from the end. When you're done, they should look like this. As you can see, I've cut a small notch near the folded part of each of the strips, and that is for the marble to fall through. If you're able to find another piece of cardboard, then tape it to the bottom of your box so that it doesn't tip over when you are playing with your marble run. This is what your marble run will look like with the extra cardboard taped on the bottom. Decide where you want your ramps to be and then test that your marble will actually run down the ramps. This is what mine looks like, and I can take off the ramps and change it a little bit. So play around with your marble run, see how it works. Thank you so much for joining me for the second week of Tween Scene Maker Club. So I had a lot of fun making all the different marble runs, and I hope you had fun too. So take care, everyone. Bye. Yay!